Ensuring compatibility for JPay video visits.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to ensure your device's camera and microphone are compatible with JPay Video Visits. This is important because hardware compatibility is a key requirement for smooth and uninterrupted video visits.
What is JPay?
Before we delve into the technicalities, it's important to understand what JPay is. JPay is a service that provides communication and money transfer services to inmates in correctional facilities across the United States. Among its services are video visits, which allow you to connect with your loved ones in a more personal way.
Checking device compatibility.
Checking your device compatibility is straightforward. JPay Video Visits are accessible through the JPay mobile app, which is available for Android and iOS. So, as long as your device runs one of these operating systems and has a working camera and microphone, you should be good to go. 1. Operating system. Ensure your device is running either iOS, Apple, or Android. Check your device's operating system version and ensure it meets the minimum requirements set by JPay. 2. Camera. Make sure your device has a functional front-facing camera for video calls. You can test your camera functionality using your device's camera app. 3. Microphone. Similarly, your device must have a working microphone. You can test this by making a voice recording or making a call to see if the other party can hear you clearly.
Installing and testing the JPay app.
Next, you need to install the JPay app and test the video visit functionality. Download the JPay app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once installed, 1. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. 2. Locate and select the video visits option in the app. 3. Schedule a test video visit to ensure your camera and microphone are working within the app. Ensuring your device's compatibility with JPay's Video Visits feature is quite straightforward. All you need is an iOS or Android device with a working camera and microphone, and the JPay app installed. Remember, staying connected to your loved ones, especially those in correctional facilities, is incredibly important. Hopefully, this video has been helpful in preparing your device for a smooth JPay video visit experience. Happy chatting!